pleasure to be here today and discuss with you a revolutionary new business plan generation technique. A simple trick could help you create the best business plan possible and help you become a millionaire. At Edge Pro SaaS solution, we have created a way to generate complex, high-quality business plans more easily and quickly than ever before. This is both incredibly cost-effective and incredibly efficient. We use pipelines from large language models, and the resulting document will provide more value than those created by experts in the near future. As a demonstration, we provide the context for a business plan, and the pipeline will generate the entire document. We think this is incredibly useful tool, and we stand to free up a lot of your time, leading to reduced costs and increased revenues. To learn more, please go to our Edge Automation Hub on YouTube and our site, and have a look at our video explanation explaining Hyperautomation. This new tool, business plans are no longer something to fear, but rather something to be embraced and welcomed. We thank you for your attention and hope you have found this information very useful. Thank you.